me about making a video on creativity and how to fight like big creator blocks, right? So I think from time to time everybody deals with this kind of like humongous like writer's block, kind of creativity block thing, and it's really tough to deal with, especially as somebody who regularly puts out content and somebody who is like in the creative field and they have peers to respond to and they've got followers to respond to. You know, coming into a third wave and going through like some of the hardest times of our life that anyone's ever gone through, yeah, that's all really tough stuff. So what I would highly suggest is getting onto YouTube and looking at other creators on YouTube, and not just using YouTube, using Snapchat and using Instagram and using Facebook to kind of like see what other creators are doing and to kind of like follow trends and to see how you can get your creativity impacted by current trends, right? That way you're not sticking too far out from the crowd and you kind of also have a template to build off. So that's like my 2-minute rant. I think that you guys would totally benefit from doing it. But if you guys know of any other ways to fight creative block or to fight writer's block, let me know in the comment section below. Also, another really big thing that I was thinking about earlier was that a lot of times we start projects as creators and we just leave those projects sitting on our computer. We never really go into our computer and finish the projects that we started. So that's another really big thing, right? Is getting bits and pieces from projects that you previously thought you would scrap and kind of resuscitating them and breathing new life into them. Because if you can do that, then it just saves yourself from having to find new content or stock footage to create a new project out of. So apply that to your editing game, put a couple cinematic loops and presets on it, and call me back. See ya.
Come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance.